Hello. I'm gonna use text-to-speech for my voice lols. Anyways, today we are going to give every villager on my island a kerokerokeroppi snack. If you don't know what they are, there they are. Let's buy them first. There they are.
One day later.
Here is all the kerokerokeroppi snacks. First, Bob. Done. Second, Maple. Third, Wolfgang. Fourth, Tangy. Anyway. Sherb. Success. Next, Anacati. For more to go. Next, Boomer. Next, Plucky. Next, Marina. Lastly, Boomer. And that's it. Please like and subscribe. I have school and a lot of homework, so I will be posting maybe twice a week. Have a great day. Bye.